So yeah, what have you got to
Hello, my name's Mrs. Hammond. I'm the early years team leader and I work teaching reception age children. I've been at Somersham Primary School for over 20 years. One of my favourite things about being at Somersham School is working with a great team of people. We work together and try to give the children a wide range of really exciting and fun experiences. I love working in a primary school because I love seeing the children come in aged 4 and leave the school aged 11 full of confidence and ready to go out into the world. This is a great place to work.
What do you like about Somersham School, Jack?
There's always someone to help you if you're lost.
What, like buddies, teachers, who?
Anyone, even other students, they're very helpful.
What is your favourite subject at Somersham School, Melissa?
Literacy.
Why?
You get to do lots of writing.
What do you like writing about?
Dogging.